I'm feeling my hair. I'm feeling myself. Hey, feeling my. I did it. um. So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I tried to braid my hair alone, and let me tell you guys, I am hyped AF. It turned out so good, and I cannot wait for you guys to watch the video. But first, before you go into the video, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. So here are the things I used. I'm just going to list them down on the screen so that you see it, but there's Eco Styler gel and the others. So here is the ORS edge control, some 2 combs, and my packet of rubber bands. This is the first set of things I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to take my rat tail comb or my other comb, whichever one, it's fine, but I prefer parting my line with this one. So I'm just going to take this old comb and then I'm just going to trace a line from ear to ear. After doing that, I'm just going to comb my hair to make sure it's tangle free, and then I'm going to go ahead using my comb again. I'm going to cut another line, like I'm going to divide the hair I parted just now into 2 other parts. Then I'm going to use a butterfly clip, hair clip, and then I'm going to tie my hair. I'm going to further divide my hair into 3 squares down there at the back, and then I'm just going to use the edge control to put at the base and then tie with the rubber band. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other 2 and for the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to show you how it looks like. So here is me after I've parted my hair. I'm just going to show you how I did this at the front. It is still the same process, but at the front it's maybe more clearer so that you can see it. Right now I'm using my rat tail comb, and then I'm just going to make a part. And then I'm applying my edge control at the base. I'm going to tie the rest of the hair at the back so that it doesn't disturb me when I am trying to tie my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a rubber band to lock it down or to just tie it. So this is how it looks like, and I am finished with my whole head. I was doing this at night, so at this point I was just really tired and happy I was finished so I could go sleep. So here is the hair I'm going to be using. I'm going to cut it into 3 parts, and then I'm going to tease it. I have millions of videos of me teasing my hair, so I'm just going to link one of them down below so that you can go and watch it. But I cut the back into 4 parts, and then I cut the rest of the hair into 3 parts. So I started braiding the first ones off camera. I did them on camera, but actually they were horrible. I had to learn a technique, so I'm just going to show you what I did. So I take 2 pieces of hair, I cross them to make the T, I don't know, that's what it's called, and then I twist it a little bit, then I use it to braid my hair. So basically there's going to be a smaller part that is going to be equal to the other 2 parts. I don't know, I'm explaining this thing wrong, but you're just seeing what I'm doing. And then I'm going to grip my hair and then hold my actual hair into one of the smaller T sections, and then I'm just going to braid everything together. But before that, I use some Eco Styler gel to just make my hair more blendable. I don't know if that's a word, but sure. And then after that, I'm just going to take a rubber band and tie at the ends. So I'm going to repeat this process, but I'm going to do it a lot more faster so that you guys just get a grip of everything I'm doing. I hope it's pretty clear and simple and straightforward to understand. This is my first time I ever braided hair in my life. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, sisters? So I'm just going to measure where I put the last rubber band, and then I'm going to tie it down at the same spot so that everything is going to be equal at the back. You may have to adjust this later, but for now you get the gist. So yeah, it's me Diri by break time acting like a fool and also getting some wine to drink because I was tired. I needed some motivation. So yeah, it's me using the Eco Styler gel. I'm going to first of all put it on like the ends of my hair so that it makes it smooth and blendable with my hair, as I'd explained before. So I'm just going to show you how I braided the front as well, because the front could be tricky. I'm going to grip my hair and divide it into 3 parts. And then I'm just going to proceed to braid. At this point, I'm holding my hair how people usually hold cornrows. So if you can do cornrows, that's fine, but I cannot do cornrows. I just think in my head that this is how people do cornrows. So I'm just going to keep doing that, braiding the hair, making sure that my actual hair is being tucked in. And also, this was kind of a tucking method for me. So I'm just doing that, making sure that my actual hair is being tucked in, whatever. And and then I'm going to just braid to the end and tie a rubber band on it. So yeah, it's me finished, and since for the front I did not really put a rubber band on it, I'm just going to go ahead to start putting a rubber band on it right now. Also, let me just, you have to watch a movie because this thing is quite tiring and boring, and I don't think that I would have done it if I was not watching American Horror Story. And yeah, so let me know if you guys have watched American Horror Story before. When I started watching, it was kind of boring, but at the end I liked it. Anywho, after putting the rubber band, I'm just going to cut under, like maybe half an inch under the rubber band. I don't know if I'm making sense, but as you can see, that is just what I'm doing. So I'm going to cut under the rubber band, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to do it on this side on camera. I'll do the other side off camera, and then we can proceed. I'm feeling my hair. I did it. Right now, I'm just going to use my Jamaican black castor oil and just oil my scalp. And then it's nothing major. I'm just going to use the same edge control. No, actually, I'm just going to use the same edge control, and I'm going to just put down my edges and then tie them with my satin wrap. So yes, a few days after, I had to leave my braids relax and everything. So yeah, it's a few days later. I'm just going to put the ornaments, and it's basically those small gold things. I don't know what the word is for them, but I'm just going to put them in my hair, whatever way I want to put them. So far as it looks good. And then I'm going to take out like the really, really small rings, and then I'm just going to add them to some places. I really like these rings. Okay, you guys, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed every single part of it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and leave a comment down below. I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you, stay golden, and don't forget to follow me on my social media.